Quick guide to dry adhesive for foiling. Dry adhesive sheets are available from many different manufacturers. This one is from Caesar. It's a very, very good sheet. It has a plastic backing to it. This is what it looks like. You peel off the pink side and then you cut it and then you peel off the other side after you've put it through the laminator, or if you have a heat press, etc., you can do that. Laminating machine seems to do the job pretty well. Works really well, might be difficult to get hold of, and it's quite difficult to tell once you've got the pink sheet off which side is the glue side, so just be warned. This one is Heat and Bond Ultra, designed for use on fabrics normally, but works really well as you can see on card. The Ultra version that I have is the strongest one they do, and it has a waffle texture to the glue, which comes through in the foiling. They may not have the waffle texture on the thinner ones that they do. Have to check on that. When it comes to the Caesar version, the backing sheet remains tacky, and you can actually put some foil over that and laminate it with foil and get a slightly distressed look, but still pretty acceptable. And then if you're trying to do it without buying anything other than the foil, if you have laminating pouches, open them up, use one sheet, cut it out, glue side up, put it through the laminator. In all cases, I just use baking parchment to put through the laminator. I found that gives the best result.